All right, what is up, traders? What's up, tycoons? Super excited for today's video. We're going to be going over MYRIA, okay, ticker symbol MYRIA, breaking things down, and we're going to be looking at the 4-hour chart right now. I'm going to go over the current setup, the major levels of resistance that we need to get above if we want to be bullish. We'll go over the bullish price targets as well as our breakdown level here in blue and some of the possible bearish price targets that we could reach if we see some continued selling here in the future. Now, we're also going to go over the MACD, which is right here, and the RSI, and how you can use these to help give yourself an edge, okay? Trading is like going to battle. It's like going to war, especially with cryptocurrency. So the more weapons that you have and, really knowing how to properly use those weapons is what's going to help give you an edge and increase your confidence and ultimately give you more success on the battlefield that is trading. So make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel if you guys are new. Now before we head any further, okay, we do have to go over the disclaimer. All right, the content provided in this YouTube channel is for informational and educational purposes only and is not intended to be relied upon as legal, financial, or investment advice. Myself and any individuals that appear in this channel are not registered financial advisors or brokers. Trading in stocks, bonds, commodities, crypto involves a significant risk of loss and is not suitable for all investors. So be sure to read through the full disclaimer. And we're going to go ahead and go through the setup and, what we have currently right here. Now, you may be noticing this ABC we have. The reason we have this on here is because markets like to move in 3-wave and also 5-wave structures is typically what they're attracted to. So one possible scenario that I'm looking at here is an ABC correction to the downside. All right, now we have our A wave here, okay, and this is going to be our breakdown level, 0.00398. And then we got a retracement, right, which is also known as a bounce or a pullback, whatever you want to call it. And we have our major retracement levels here, okay? Now, specifically, I like to use the 61.8%, 50%, and 38.2% Fibonacci retracement levels. And the reason being is because those are the 3 most well-respected and most commonly respected retracement levels. So the reason you use the fibs, okay, is because nothing moves in a straight line down or in a straight line up. Rather, you get a move down retracement, continuation of the trend, or if you move down, retrace, and you start to consolidate and break through those retracement levels, you can spot a potential upside reversal. So that's what we're going to be looking at right here, right? We have our A wave down. We got a B wave, healthy retracement, exactly up to the 50% retracement level is where we topped out. Okay. And then we're starting to push back down. Now, again, we could get a double bottom, right? Similar to what we had here, where we had a bottom and then we had another bottom at the same level. And then we got a sharp move to the upside afterwards. We could look for a potential another, strong bounce off of this support level here of 0.00398. But if we do happen to break below there, okay, the next support level I'm going to be looking at is 0.00284 as well as 0.00198 and in a really bad scenario 0.00088. Now those are the bearish price targets, okay? But things don't have to be bearish, right? If we are able to break above these 3 resistance levels, okay, then that's when we can be bullish above. But what we need to do is flip our 61.8% level, which is currently 0.00648. We need to flip that to resistance from support, and we want to see a break, retest, and push up, and then we can start hitting our bullish price targets of 0.00775, 0.00892, as well as 0.0110. All right, those are going to be the 3 bullish price targets I have to the upside. But as I mentioned, we have to break through those major retracement levels, right? We had the move down retracement, right? And if we come back down again, start consolidating at these levels, and then we break through, that's how we can hit our bullish price targets. Okay, now the 38.2%, that's going to be a major resistance level. As you can see here, all of these 4-hour candles pretty much closed below that level, right? We have some wicks above, but they weren't able to stay above there for long term. So that level is 0.00553, and above there we have 0.00601. All right. Now, those are all the major levels. Okay. What you can also use is the MACD is very useful. So what you want to pay attention to is this red line here on the MACD. When you see it cross above, that's typically known as an entry signal, right? And so what happened here is we actually put in a bottom and then a double bottom. So that's one potential signal right here that we could get, some upwards price movement. And then we actually got the MACD crossover to the upside afterwards. So we had about 2 signals, at this time right here at the bottom bottom of our A wave, signaling that we could get some type of move to the upside. Right. Not only that, we actually had a third signal here on the RSI. And what that was is we were oversold. So, this line that I just drew right here, this dotted line is 30. Now, below 30 is the technical definition of oversold. So what happened was we came down to oversold levels. Okay. And then we formed a double bottom. Right. And then we got a MACD crossover. So that's three things together. And then we know that if we do get a rally, we need to be cautious at these levels because this is healthy retracement territory. So we need to be sure to, protect our profits. If we are entering a trade off of those three signals, we know that we need to protect our profits up here because unless we can break through these levels and flip them to support from resistance, that's the only chance we have of hitting our bullish price targets. Otherwise, it's a healthy retracement to possibly continue the downtrend, right? And so what you see here is we actually get the crossover to the downside, where the red line crosses down below the yellow line here, and we've started moving down ever since there, and we're reapproaching that 0.00398 level. All right, so that's pretty much a breakdown of what I'm looking at right now on the 4-hour chart. Quick shout out to today's sponsor, which is the Tangem wallet, guys. The Tangem wallet is awesome. It's actually a cold storage wallet, and it looks just like a credit card. So it's much, in my opinion, it just looks awesome. Not only does it look cool, but it's very practical. Okay, it's actually waterproof. You can completely submerge it in water, right? You can freeze it. It's also heat resistant as well. So really, what I like to say about it is it's life proof. It's really awesome. It's super easy to set up as well. It supports 26 blockchain networks, bringing crypto in the world together with more than 500,000 cards produced and sold. It's got satisfied customers in 170 countries. Currently, it supports over 2,700 cryptocurrencies. You need to take your money off of the exchanges. If you haven't seen what happened with FTX and with many of these exchanges, you should know by now that if it's not your keys, it's not your crypto, and your money is not safe on the exchanges. So I definitely recommend taking your money off of the exchanges and using a cold storage wallet. And the Tangem cold storage wallet is very nice. It's also DeFi compatible, so you can exchange, buy NFTs, make loans and deposits in more than 100 different decentralized applications with the help of Wallet Connect. You can see OpenSea is compatible here. We have Curve Finance, Spooky Swap, Aave, we have Uniswap, Pancake Swap, some really big ones. We also have Yearn Finance on here. So it's really compatible with a lot of things, which is super awesome in my opinion. And what you want to do is you want to go to the Google Play Store or to the Apple App Store, download the Tangem app today, and you can make a purchase. You can get a pack of 2 cards or you can get a pack of 3 cards. Now, the reason is because the additional cards are used for backup, right? So just in case you happen to lose your main one, you will still have backup. So I really love that feature as well. It's super easy to use. You just scan and activate, then you set up the password and you can start making transactions. Typical setup time is 1 to 3 minutes. It literally took me 2 minutes to get mine set up. It's so easy. It's so simple. All right. And it's also more affordable than some of the mainstream and more popular cold storage wallets. Now, on top of that, there's no batteries, there's no wires, and no connectors that you have to worry about. You no longer need a PC to hook it up to. You don't need a laptop to hook it up to. You don't need any of that. You simply just need your card, and any smartphone or, tablet, anything like that will work. And it's really, really awesome. So make sure when you purchase, if you use code Zachley, that's ZACHLY, like the channel name, Zachley Trades, you guys will get a discount on your purchase. And you can start securing your cryptocurrency and getting it off of these exchanges while also supporting the channel as well. So just wanted to give a quick shout out to today's sponsor. Hopefully you enjoyed today's video, and I'm out.